So if I had $0, a cheap techno phone, and bills to sort out as a mom, in this video, I'll be showing you how I will go from beginner to earner in 3 months. Your phone is not just for TikTok, WhatsApp, or scrolling aimlessly on Instagram. It can actually be your money making tool big time. Hi, my name is Osai, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step on how you can learn a digital skill from scratch and what you will do to go from a beginner to earner with my Overdo strategy. Come with me. So the first thing I'll do is to take a step back and ask myself, what do I already know? For example, if you study accounting, you don't have to throw it away to start learning software engineering. You can look at tools like QuickBooks, software accountants use, and see how you can offer that as a digital service. And if you have no skill at all, no problem, then you can simply come into ChatGPT or any AI tool and list the most in-demand digital skill. That means ask ChatGPT to list out digital skills in demand right now and explain the pros and cons and what opportunity exists for you. And you will see that ChatGPT will start writing them out, and you take out your time to study them and jot down some things. So the next thing is to head over to YouTube and look for free tutorials to explore those skills. This is like window shopping. You are checking out what's out there before you start making your choice. So if, for example, you decide to go for social media marketing, you can type in beginner videos for social media marketing, or you decide to go for digital marketing, you can type in beginner video for digital marketing, and you start watching these videos. Once I've done my research, I will pick just one skill. This is super important because beginners, they make the mistake of trying to learn everything at once, and that only slows you down. They have the mindset of jack of all trades, I can be a master of all. But I don't think that can work when learning digital skill. You want to learn and upskill. If you started with learning Canva design, you can upskill to learning other design tools like Adobe or any other design tool of your choice, or you can upskill to learning UI UX with Figma, or you can upskill to motion design. Don't just go from graphic design to maybe cyber security, or you want to learn a bit of everything, and at the end you are not a master of any of them. So find one skills that aligns with your interests, and that's what the market needs. Then lock in and focus on it. Step 4, I'll start showing up online. So even as a beginner, I'll open my social media platform like LinkedIn and start documenting my journey, post what I'm learning, share my progress, even my struggles. Why? Because this builds proof of my growth. And I'll join a free accountability group where people are learning the same skill, where people are on the same journey as I am, where I'll find like mind like me. So because when you have people sharing you on, sharing tips, holding you accountable, it's so much easier to stay consistent. You will find out that because of the kind of pages you are searching, the algorithm will start showing you similar pages, communities that will help your journey. It will be so easier for you to find this community, and it is very, very necessary for your growth for you to join the community. You can't just be posting and posting without having people who can hold you accountable, because it is very, very easy to give up. This takes me to step 5, which is my Overdo strategy part 1. So when I'm just starting out, like I said earlier, I'll document my journey. As I'm documenting my journey, I'll volunteer my skills. Yes, I'll work for free at first, not forever, but to gain real experience and build a portfolio I can use later to apply for paid jobs. So the next step, which is step 6, will be my Overdo strategy part 2, getting clients. So once I've got some proof of what I can do, then it's time to go for paid job. That's the second phase of the Overdo strategy. I will apply for jobs on Upwork because the goal is to earn in dollars. I'll send cold emails to potential clients. There are tools you can use to get emails of potential clients that need your services. I'll use LinkedIn to connect with people that are actively looking for my services. So at this point, I'm not just learning anymore, I'm building a business. So here is the raw truth. Results won't always come fast, and that is why so many people give up easily. But consistency is the game changer. So keep learning, keep showing up, and keep applying. Before you know it, your effort will stack up and you will move from beginner to earner. So in 2025, don't let your phone be smarter than your pocket. Use it to learn, use it to earn. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and hit the subscribe button so we can keep growing together. So until next time, I am Osai.